Bo plays. So today we're gonna do some of this, and this is gonna be a video about volcanoes, and we're gonna make some stuff out of tinfoil. And this thing, I don't know what this is, but I got from a cool thing, and we're gonna put this and that, and yeah. So let's get started.
What we're gonna do is we're gonna put this into here, into that, and then into that, right?
Yup. All right, so I got it open, and now I'm gonna pour this in here. Everything in here. Everything. Okay, I got it. All right, so we're gonna put this in the water, right? The water in here?
Yeah.
All right. Put the water in here. Ooh, smoke. All right.
Then you're gonna gently mix it.
All right, let's gently mix it.
Right.
Oh yeah. All right.
Man, that look like doo-doo.
All right. So we're done for this, and yeah, let's head up to our next project. All right, guys, we're on the step number 2. And so what we're gonna be doing is that we're gonna put this is a crystal cup, and this is a crystal bag of crystal growing powder that we're gonna use. This might do some damage to our table that we already did before, so let's try. So do I put this first?
You put that first.
Okay.
So we're gonna put this into here.
Okay. Keep track of boyfriend. Okay.
And we'll be right back after these messages.
So it's like Pop Rocks, people.
Green.
Okay. Whoa!
Stir it immediately.
Let's
Stir it immediately. Stir it.
Where's the stick?
Stick.
I thought you ate. Keep going.
Okay, people. All right, sorry, people, that were a little bit of things were happening.
You got
I got a little boiling hot water on me.
That was my bad.
Here's our dog. Sorry about that.
Mix it for 2 minutes.
All right, we're back, and we got this shiny rock here, and we're gonna slightly
Don't drop it. Actually, put it in there.
put it
It's just water, green water.
in there
Yeah.
and sizzle, I think. Green alien. All right. Well, we're gonna have to let that little crystal in there grow for 4 to 5 days. So we're gonna be back soon. Bye.